Hello students, today I am going to teach you the 5th chapter of Flamingo, that is indigo. Indigo students, you will have heard about indigo. Indigo means जो नील होता है उसको बोलते हैं इंडिगो। तो उसकी खेती की जाती थी बिहार चंपारण में। बिहार का जो चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट है मतलब वहाँ पर, तो उसकी ये कहानी है जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। लुइस फिशर, इट इज़ रिटन बाय लुइस फिशर। लुइस फिशर was born in Philadelphia. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 and 1920. Fisher made a career as a journalist and wrote for the New York Times. Means he had been a journalist also, and he wrote news for the New York Times, the Saturday Review, and for European and Asian publications. He was also a member of the faculty at Princeton University. The following is an excerpt from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Gandhiji by Times Educational Supplement. In other words, this chapter is a fragment of the biography of Mahatma Gandhi named The Life of Mahatma Gandhi, which is written by Louis Fisher. Dear students, in this chapter, the author describes the struggle of Gandhi ji for the poor peasants of Champaran who had to share their crops with the British landlords, and this made their life miserable as they were forced to grow indigo according to an agreement. Students, the chapter deals with the theme that how an effective leadership can overcome any problem. The chapter tells us about the leadership shown by Mahatma Gandhi to secure justice for the exploited peasants through his convincing power, argumentation, and negotiation. In simple words, we can say that in this chapter we will read about Gandhi's efforts to liberate the sharecroppers of Champaran from the clutches of British landlords, and we will also read about the contribution made by the common people to the struggle of freedom movement. Means the freedom movement is not the story of the efforts made by the leaders only. It is also the story of the efforts and contribution made by common men like Rajkumar Shukla, who is a peasant in this story. Okay, so we will learn a message that with dedication, determination, perseverance, we can achieve what we want. So let's start the text. When I first visited Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. Dear students, I refers to the writer of this chapter, means who has written the chapter? Louis Fisher. Okay. So means I is Louis Fisher. So Louis Fisher tells us that he first met Gandhiji in 1942 and he met him at his ashram situated at Sevagram in central India. Sevagram is in Maharashtra and Louis Fisher met him at his ashram there in Maharashtra, which is in central India, okay, which is in the center of India. He said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. At that time, this is Gandhiji. At that time, Gandhiji said that he would tell Louis Fisher, you means Louis Fisher, यहाँ पर Louis Fisher है ये, तो he would tell him how he decided to urge means plead करना, strongly request करना, गिड़गिड़ाना नहीं, strongly request करना, plead करना, to urge the departure of the British. So Louis Fisher tells us that he met Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in Maharashtra, and at that time Gandhiji said that he would tell him what compelled him to plead the British to leave India, to quit India. Means he told him that he would describe the incident which compelled him to plead the British to leave India. कि what happened which compelled Gandhiji to plead the British to go away from India, and it happened in 1917. He had gone to the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. Actually, Gandhiji had gone to Lucknow, okay, to attend the December 1916 annual convention. Convention होती है मीटिंग, कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. ये कॉन्फ्रेंस किसकी थी? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की. कब हुई थी? 1916 में, दिसंबर 1916, लखनऊ में, इन लखनऊ. ओके, सो गांधी जी हैड गॉन टू अटेंड द एनुअल कन्वेंशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी इन लखनऊ in December 1916. There were 2,301 delegates and many visitors. There 2,301 representatives. Delegates means representatives. There were 2,301 representatives and other visitors. Means representatives from different provinces of India. इंडिया के अलग अलग जगहों से, इधर उधर से, मतलब बहुत से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आए थे और भी कुछ विजिटर्स थे. ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसीडिंग्स मीन्स जो प्रोसेस चल रही थी, जो मीटिंग चल रही थी, यानी कन्वेंशन जो चल रही थी, उसी के दौरान गांधी जी रिकाउंटेड, गांधी जी ने मतलब याद करके, रिकाउंट होता है रिकॉल करना, ठीक है, गांधी जी ने रिकॉल किया, याद करके बताया. किसको बता रहा है वो? लुइस फिशर को, ठीक है. Gandhiji recalled, a peasant came up to me looking like any other peasant in India. तो गांधी जी ने याद करते हुए बताया लुइस फिशर को कि there a peasant came to meet him and he looked a simple man. He looked like other peasants. ठीक है भाई, पेजेंट था तो पेजेंट की तरह ही दिखेगा, है ना. तो वो पेजेंट, और जैसे पेजेंट थे मतलब किसान थे, पेजेंट क्या मतलब? किसान, फार्मर. तो वो और फार्मर्स की तरह ही दिखता था, सिंपल, मीन्स ही वॉज सिंपली ड्रेस्ड एंड लुक लाइक अ सिंपल मैन, लुक लाइक अदर फार्मर्स, अदर पेजेंट्स. पुअर एंड इमेसिएटेड, ही वॉज अ पुअर मैन एज वेल एज वीक. इमेसिएटेड मीन्स वीक, फिजिकली वीक. तो वो फिजिकली भी वीक था और मतलब पुअर, फाइनेंशियली भी मतलब वो पुअर था. उसके ड्रेसअप से, उसके मतलब स्टैंडर्ड से, लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड से सब मतलब दिख रहा था. ही वॉज पुअर एज वेल एज फिजिकली वीक. एंड सेड, आकर के उसने बोला गांधी जी से, आई एम राजकुमार शुक्ला, आई एम फ्रॉम चंपारण एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू कम टू माई डिस्ट्रिक्ट. He introduced himself as Rajkumar Shukla. He told him that he was Rajkumar Shukla. His name was Rajkumar Shukla. I am from Champaran, and he told him that he belonged to Champaran. And I want you to come. Champaran is a place in Bihar, and I want you to come to my district. And Rajkumar Shukla told Gandhi ji that he wanted him to go to his district with him, कि वो उसके साथ उसके डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाए, वो ये चाहता था. उसने अपना पर्पस बताया. मीन्स ही टोल्ड गांधी जी हिज पर्पस ऑफ कमिंग टू लखनऊ कन्वेंशन. ओके, अपना पर्पस बता दिया कि भाई वो क्यों उसके पास आया था, क्या चाहता था. गांधी जी हैड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ द प्लेस. Gandhiji did not know about this place. He had never heard about such a place. It was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. तो वैसे ये कहाँ है? It was in the, ये कहाँ था? foothills of the towering Himalayas. ये जो foothills है means bottom, towering Himalayas, जो हमारा ऊंचा हिमालय है, हिमालय पर्वत है, उसके बॉटम में. आपने देखा होगा जैसे किंगडम ऑफ नेपाल, आपने मैप पे नेपाल देखा होगा बेटा सब. तो उस नेपाल के जस्ट नीचे जो है बिहार पड़ता है. बिहार में जो है ये चंपारण जगह है. अंडर एन एंशिएंट अरेंजमेंट द चंपारण पेजेंट्स वर शेयर क्रॉपर्स. इन चंपारण देयर वाज एन ओल्ड सिस्टम, ओल्ड प्रैक्टिस विच हैड टू बी फॉलोड बाय द शेयर क्रॉपर्स. देखिए, शेयर क्रॉपर्स मीन्स, क्रॉप मीन्स पता है आपको फसल होती है, शेयर मीन जो मतलब शेयर करें, तो एक तरह से जो अपनी क्रॉप को शेयर करें, शेयर क्रॉपर्स. तो फार्मर्स जो अपनी क्रॉप को, अपनी फसल को क्या करें, शेयर करें दूसरों के साथ. तो चंपारण के जो पेजेंट्स थे वो शेयर क्रॉपर्स थे. मीन्स एन ओल्ड अरेंजमेंट, एन ओल्ड एग्रीमेंट वॉज प्रिवेलेंट देयर, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट old arrangement, the farmers or the peasants shared their crops. Rajkumar Shukla shared their crop. Shared their crop. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. Rajkumar Shukla was also one of such sharecroppers. Means he had also to share his crop. He was illiterate. और किसके साथ शेयर करते थे स्टूडेंट्स? ब्रिटिश लैंडलॉर्ड्स के साथ, मतलब उनको दे देते थे वो. ठीक है. ही वॉज इलिटरेट बट रेजोल्यूट. राजकुमार शुक्ला वॉज एन अनएजुकेटेड पर्सन बट ही वॉज डिटरमिन्ड. रेजोल्यूट मीन्स डिटरमिन्ड, मीन्स हु हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर. ओके, ही वॉज एन अनएजुकेटेड मैन बट he had remarkable determination. He had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar. He was a bold man, he was a determined man, and he had come to Lucknow to Gandhi ji. Okay, Congress session which was going on in Lucknow in 1916, directly to complain about the exploitation, injustice, okay, injustice with the sharecroppers. And somebody had probably said, speak to Gandhi ji. He had come to Gandhi ji because somebody had told him that only Gandhi ji could solve their problem. Somebody advised him that he should meet Gandhi ji. He could do something for their favor, for their betterment. Okay. So students, here you must remember one thing, कि Louis Fisher met Gandhiji in 1942. Okay, and Indian National Congress convention was in 1916, and at that time Rajkumar Shukla came to him, he met him, and then in 1917 मीन्स जब वो 16 में राजकुमार शुक्ला अपने हालात यहाँ पर बताने आए थे गांधी जी को, उसके बाद ही तो गए थे ना वो बिहार चंपारण में उनकी हेल्प के लिए। वहाँ 1917 में जो है 1917 में ही अर्ज्ड द ब्रिटिश टू लीव इंडिया, टू क्विट इंडिया। तो ये आप ध्यान रखेंगे, यू मस्ट नॉट get confused here. Okay, so let's proceed. Gandhiji told Shukla he had an appointment in Kanpur. Gandhiji informed Shukla ji he had an appointment in Kanpur. मतलब he informed Shukla that he had prior meetings, prior engagement. He had to go to Kanpur and was also committed to go to other parts of India. And after his visit to Kanpur, he had to go to some other places in India. Means he had a lot of meetings, he had a lot of appointments. So he refused to accompany Shukla to Champaran. Okay, means he told that he had some pieces of work at different places like Kanpur. Okay, and Shukla accompanied him everywhere. But Shukla was not a man who accepted defeat easily. Okay, he was a determined man, as we have read earlier. So Shukla went with him everywhere. Means he followed Gandhiji wherever he went. Then Gandhiji returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. And then Gandhiji came to his ashram in Sabarmati, which is in Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram. So Shukla also chased him. He also came to his ashram, Sabarmati ashram. For weeks he never left Gandhi's side. And for many weeks he did not leave Gandhi's side, means did not leave following Gandhiji. He followed him everywhere. And due to this he is called resolute, means he kept following Gandhiji wherever he went. He did not leave his side. Okay, he did not give in. Give in means har manna. He did not give in or he did not relent until Gandhiji agreed to visit Champaran. Okay, fixed a date he begged. Finally Rajkumar Shukla requested him, begged means nivedan karna, requested him to fix a date. Impressed by the sharecropper's tenacity and story, Gandhiji said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a date. Come and meet me and take me from there. Gandhiji observed that Rajkumar Shukla had noticeable resolution, determination, means he had strong willpower. He didn't relent until he persuaded him to go to Champaran. So he was very much impressed by his determination, by his firmness. Tenacity means firmness, determination. वो उसके firmness से, determination से बहुत ही प्रभावित हो गया, है ना? I hope it is clear to you all students. And he was also impressed by his story, means by the story of the sharecroppers. Okay, Gandhiji said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a date. He said that he had to go to Calcutta for some work, and he mentioned a particular date. Come and meet me and take me from there. He asked him to come to Calcutta and then take him from there. Means he assured him that he would accompany him to Champaran from Calcutta after doing his work there. कि भाई वो कैलकाटा में मिले उससे, वो वहाँ पर जो अपना वहाँ पर काम खत्म करेगा, उसके बाद वो वहाँ से उसको लेकर के जाएगा, मतलब वो उसके साथ वहाँ से चलेगा फिर. मंथ्स पास्ट, महीने बीत गए। ओके, मतलब मैनी मंथ्स पास्ट, उसके इंतजार में, गांधी जी के इंतजार में कई महीने बीत गए। शुक्ला वॉज सिटिंग ऑन हिज हॉन्चेस एट द अपॉइंटेड स्पॉट इन कैलकाटा व्हेन गांधी जी अराइव्ड। शुक्ला वॉज वेटिंग फॉर गांधी जी, ही वॉज सिटिंग ऑन हिज हॉन्चेस। हॉन्चेस मीन्स जैसे एक तरह से मतलब जैसे बोलते ना हम, मतलब आलती पालती लगा के बैठ जाना, ऐसे मतलब आराम से बैठा हुआ वो गांधी जी के वेट में। एट द अपॉइंटेड स्पॉट इन कैलकाटा मीन्स ही वॉज सिटिंग एट द फिक्स्ड प्लेस इन कैलकाटा when Gandhiji arrived, when Gandhiji went there, means when Gandhiji went to Calcutta, he found Rajkumar Shukla waiting for him eagerly. उसके लिए eagerly wait करते हुए उसने पाया. He waited till Gandhiji was free, and then Shukla ji kept on waiting for Gandhiji until he finished his work. जब तक गांधी जी ने अपना काम वहाँ खत्म नहीं किया तब तक वो वेट करते रहे. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. Then, as Gandhiji promised him, as Gandhiji assured him that he would accompany him to Champaran from there, now both of them took a train to Patna. दोनों ने ट्रेन ले ली, ट्रेन में चढ़ गए. Boarded means ट्रेन में चढ़ जाना. They got into a train bound for Patna. Patna is a city in Bihar. बिहार में एक जगह है, वहां पर उसकी ट्रेन, पटना की ट्रेन ले ली दोनों ने. देयर शुक्ला लेड हिम टू द हाउस ऑफ अ लॉयर नेम्ड राजेंद्र प्रसाद. यस, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, यू आर एस्टिमेटिंग राइटली, आई थिंक, है ना. आई होप यू आर मेकिंग आउट प्रॉपरली स्टूडेंट्स. राजेंद्र प्रसाद इज द सेम पर्सन हु बिकेम आवर फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, सो Shukla ji took Gandhi ji to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was a political leader as well as a lawyer by training, who later became president of the Congress party, जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रेसिडेंट भी बने थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद, एंड ऑफ इंडिया, और इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट भी बने थे बाद में. ओके, एंड राजेंद्र प्रसाद was out of town, but at that time Rajendra Prasad was out of station. He was not at home when Gandhiji and Shukla ji came to his house. But the servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. But the servants were aware of Shukla. They knew Shukla well. They knew that he was a poor yeoman. Yeoman means farmer. They knew that he was a farmer, peasant who pestered their master. Pestered means troubled करना, दुखी करना, परेशान करना their master, उनके मालिक को, to help the indigo sharecroppers. They knew that Shukla was a poor peasant who often came to their house to trouble Rajendra Prasad regarding लैंडलॉर्ड सिस्टम प्रिवेलेंट इन बिहार. ओके, मतलब जो ये लैंडलॉर्ड सिस्टम चल रहा था बिहार में, जमींदारी प्रथा चल रही थी जो, उसके रिगार्डिंग ये शुक्ला जी रोज आते थे उसके, मतलब तकरीबन ओफन, मतलब प्राय आया करते थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद के पास हेल्प के लिए. तो नौकर जो थे वो सर्वेंट्स थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद के, वो उसको अच्छे से जानते थे. सो दे लेट हिम स्टे ऑन द ग्राउंड्स विद हिज कंपेनियन गांधी. दे अलाउड शुक्ला जी टू स्टे ऑन द ग्राउंड्स. दे डिड नॉट लेट देम कम इनसाइड with his companion. Means the servants asked them to wait on the grounds with his companion. Okay, means गांधी जी को भी, और गांधी जी कंपेनियन है शुक्ला जी का, तो दोनों को वेट करने के लिए बोला. गांधी जी whom they took to be another peasant. The servants mistook Gandhi ji for another peasant. Why? Because, see students, this is very important. You can be asked a question here. Rajkumar Shukla was a poor peasant and Gandhiji was in his company. Okay, so they thought that Gandhiji was also a peasant as he had come along with Rajkumar Shukla. Then Gandhiji looked very simple. अम्बल मीन्स है ना सिंपल, बिल्कुल सिंपल अम्बल लग रहे थे बिल्कुल ही. एंड ही वॉज सिंपली ड्रेस्ड. ही वॉज ड्रेस्ड इन लॉइन क्लॉथ ओनली. सो ही लुक्ड very simple, whom they took to be another peasant. That's why they mistook him for another peasant. But Gandhiji was not permitted to draw water from the well lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. But they did not allow Gandhiji to extract water from the well because they feared that he might belong to a lower caste, and they thought that his touch could pollute the entire water of the well. Okay, in those days untouchability was prevalent, so they were afraid that Gandhiji might belong to a lower caste and he could pollute the entire water of the well. So they did not allow him to extract water from the well. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? Means how they could get to know to which caste Gandhiji belonged? They could not ask him directly. Okay, he looked like a peasant, so he might belong to a lower caste. So they were doubtful about him, so they did not allow him to take water from the well. So यहाँ पर देखिए स्टूडेंट्स कि भी how Gandhiji was treated at Rajendra Prasad's house by the servant. कैसे ट्रीट किया गया, तो आप बताएंगे कि he was treated like an untouchable. He was not allowed to come inside the house, और मीन्स घर में अंदर जो है रूम वगैरह में वहाँ पर उसको अंदर नहीं आने दिया गया, उसको बाहर ही मतलब जो है बिठा दिया गया और ग्राउंड्स के ऊपर ही. ठीक है, और उसको जो है मतलब पानी वानी लेने से भी मतलब मना कर दिया गया. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आप ये क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे. Gandhiji decided to go first to Muzaffarpur, which was en route to Champaran. So first of all, Gandhiji made up his mind to go to Muzaffarpur. Muzaffarpur is also a place, also a city in Bihar, which was en route to Champaran, जो चंपारण के en route में था. En route होता है on the way. Muzaffarpur was on the way to Champaran, so he decided to go to Muzaffarpur first. To obtain more complete information about conditions than Shukla was capable of imparting. क्या करने गए थे मुजफ्फरपुर? He wanted to gather thorough information. देखो complete information means thorough information about the conditions of the sharecroppers. Then Shukla had given to him. Impart means देना. मैं जितना शुक्ला उनको बता पाए थे उससे कहीं ज़्यादा जानने के लिए जो है वो मतलब मुजफ्फरपुर गए. ठीक है, ही अकॉर्डिंगली आप यहाँ पर ये भी देख पा रहे होंगे कि जो गांधी जी थे मतलब ठीक है भाई राजकुमार शुक्ला जी बड़ा जेन्युइन बंदा दिखता था और मतलब उन्होंने बात जो है सही तरीके से और सही बात गांधी जी के सामने रखी थी, लेकिन फिर भी वो मतलब वन साइडेड इंफॉर्मेशन में बिलीव नहीं मतलब करते थे, ऐसा यहाँ से देख के लग रहा है. तो पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन वो जानने के लिए जो है वो उधर गए और भी मतलब वो एक तरह से डिटेल में जाना चाहते थे इन चीज़ों की. मतलब कोई अगर काम करें तो पूरा एक तरह से हो ना कि भाई एक समस्या एक प्रॉब्लम का मतलब जड़ तक नॉलेज हो हमें, तो इस तरीके से वो पूरी जानकारी जो है मतलब. ठीक है, ही अकॉर्डिंगली सेंट अ टेलीग्राम टू प्रोफेसर JB कृपलानी. तो उन्होंने क्या किया था कि ही had already sent a telegram to Professor JB Kriplani. JB Kriplani was a professor of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur. Okay, Arts College of Muzaffarpur. ये मुजफ्फरपुर में एक कॉलेज है, वहाँ एक JB Kriplani प्रोफेसर हैं. तो गांधी जी knew him, so he sent a telegram to him, okay, informing him that he was coming to Muzaffarpur, whom he had seen at Tagore शांति निकेतन स्कूल. ये एक शांति निकेतन स्कूल जो है वेस्ट बंगाल में है, जो कि टैगोर ने एस्टेब्लिश किया था. तो जो है यहाँ पर मिले थे वो जेबी कृपलानी जी से. ठीक है, ये जो प्रोफेसर है आर्ट्स कॉलेज मुजफ्फरपुर का, तो उनसे गांधी जी कहाँ मिले थे? टैगोर शांति निकेतन स्कूल में. ओके, गांधी जी मेट जेबी कृपलानी, द प्रोफेसर ऑफ आर्ट्स कॉलेज इन मुजफ्फरपुर, एट टैगोर शांति निकेतन स्कूल. सो he sent a telegram to him informing his arrival there. The train arrived at midnight. तो जो ट्रेन थी वो पहुंच गई at midnight. midnight क्या होता है? रात के 12 बजे. ठीक है, तो midnight में पहुंच गई वो ट्रेन. The train reached there means reached at Muzaffarpur at about at 12 o'clock. 15 अप्रैल 1917. कब की बात है ये? 15 अप्रैल 1917 की बात है. ओके, मीन्स देखिए दिसंबर 1916 में जो है हमने पढ़ा था, दिसंबर 1916 में गांधी जी से मिले थे शुक्ला जी. यहाँ बात हुई थी. यहाँ पर उसके बाद काफ़ी टाइम तक गांधी जी का उन्होंने मतलब पीछा किया. वो जहाँ भी जाते थे उनको मतलब कन्विंस करने के लिए, चंपारण आने के लिए ना, तो वो कन्विंस करते रहते थे. और आखिर जो है बताया कि भाई अब ये अप्रैल में जो है गांधी जी शुक्ला जी के साथ चंपारण जो है की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे. मतलब पहले ये खैर मुजफ्फरपुर पहुंचे अभी 15 अप्रैल को. तो ठीक है, 15 अप्रैल 1917 को ये जो है का दिन था जब वो मुजफ्फरपुर पहुंचे. कृपलानी वॉज वेटिंग एट द स्टेशन विद अ लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. कृपलानी came to the station to receive Gandhi ji, and he brought a large number of students also to welcome Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani, and then Gandhi ji stayed means ठहरे. गांधी जी ठहरे for 2 days in the होम ऑफ प्रोफेसर मलकानी. किसके घर पर ठहरे? प्रोफेसर मलकानी के घर पर ठहरे. देन गांधी जी स्टेट और लिव्ड. गांधी जी लिव्ड इन द हाउस ऑफ प्रोफेसर मलकानी फॉर 2 days. ए टीचर इन ए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल. प्रोफेसर मलकानी वॉज अ गवर्नमेंट टीचर. इट वॉज एन